Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Arius. So, so we have to read from that place. We have discussed about this before the Bloody Sunday, or what would happen on the Bloody Sunday. Start this Bloody Sunday. Yes, students, before this, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Hello. Before this, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Listen. Last time we had the turbulent time 1905 revolutions. So before this, we have discussed too much what was the situation at this period and why this 1905 revolution took place before the 1917 revolution. So when we talk about this, we have to start with the Bloody Sunday. Why this Sunday? Why this Sunday called it Bloody Sunday? कहीं से भी आवाज ना आए. So we have to know about this. So we have to know about this, the Putillo Iron Works.
सर मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
So when we talk about Putillo Iron Works, in this iron work, the four people will thrown from that place, and when this four-person or four employees will thrown from the factory, then what happened? That near about 10,000 people in the favor of four employers to retake in their factories. They come in the front and they in a mobilized form. And not only this, these 10,000 people went on strike. In protest of four people who have thrown from the Putillo Iron Works. And not only this, just they demand to just take over. There are many other demands which was earlier also prevalent. So these demands are also included, and because of this, this revolution will become a major revolution. So what will happen on this day? You know, near about they have discussed about
10,000.
yes 10,000 people. And when we talk about the demands, in the last class we have discussed about better wages,
Yes, sir. Bolshevik Menshevik.
reduction in work
In
hours,
working hour.
and working hours. Sorry.
नहीं दिख रहा है.
हाँ बेटा इधर लिख रहा है. So when we talk about these demands, better wages, Place. Reduction in working hours. Tell me the another demands. Tell me the another demands. और भी demands बताइए.
Improvement in working condition.
Yes, very good. Improvement in working condition. You have to note it down someplace.
Condition.
Working condition. Very good. Any more? Better wages.
Production in
Or we can say better wages. You can also add it. Equal wages.
wages.
Equal wages also.
Yes,
For
sir.
the equal work, whether it's a male or female, they will get the equal wages. Because earlier we know there is a demarcation, means if that work is done by the female, they will get the less salary in the comparison than man.
Man.
Clear? So now,
Yes, sir.
so due to all this, clear? Is there any doubt you can ask between this? पूछ सकते हैं आप. देख लीजिए. Because right now, after this, we have made the background. Now we have gone to Bloody Sunday. What will happen? This all the things are united, and all the things are interlinked with one another. ठीक है. हर एक चीज एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई है. इसमें बताना नहीं है. जब लोगों को हटाया गया तो बाकी लोग उनके वर्क में है, और सिर्फ वर्क ही में नहीं आए, उनके सिर्फ उसमें नहीं है कि इनको दोबारा लेना चाहिए. They also come with their earlier demands which they need. Now these demands are added with this, and it's become a mobilized revolution. It's become a mobilized thing and effective revolution. So what will happen? So when we talk about
तो
this,
जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था उसे ब्लडी संडे क्यों कहते हैं?
अभी ब्लडी संडे वाले पे आ रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं उसको. ये क्लियर हो गया? सो जब हम इसकी बात कर चुके हैं, आप ध्यान से देखिए. So when we talk about this, they are kind of, so this procession means the people protesting, and when the people were protesting, the 10,000 people were protesting with this, they have the leader, and the leader who lead this procession, जो उस जुलूस को उसका नेतृत्व कर रहा था, that person known by the name is Father Gapon.
Father Gapon.
Father Gapon.
Gapon.
So who lead this, we can say, procession, and at this he reached to Winter Palace. Winter Palace. The Winter Palace is a place where the people of the noble classes will live. Where the people of the noble classes will live. So what happened? Now, the people patrolling, sorry, not people, police patrolling. मतलब पुलिस गश्त लगा रही थी, उसके साथ कॉसेक्स भी थे. कॉसेक्स भी एक तरह की पुलिस ही है. So what will happen? Now, in this, there was a, what will happen? It's a kind of a right. Means, when we talk about the procession leads by 10,000 people. In this procession, there are 10,000 people. So there is a clash between the police and the common people. So when there is a clash between the people and the police, near about 100 people were killed. And not only this, 400 people, or maybe the more than 400, or we can say also write down 300 people wounded. So as well as this incidents occurred on Sunday. So this all the things occurred on the Sunday. That's why this Sunday is known as Bloody Sunday.
Bloody Sunday.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
The 10,000 people who were led by their father Gapon, as well as, and they assembled at the Winter Palace, and that Winter Palace was patrolling by the police at the Cossacks. So there is a struggle between the common people and the police. In this battle, near about 100 people were killed and 300 people were wounded. So, and all this incidents happened on Sunday. So that's why this Sunday is specially known in the history of
Bloody
or we can say in the Russian history by the Bloody Sunday. Clear? अब आज के बाद अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है तो you can tell about why it is known as Bloody Sunday. Not only this, so this, when we talk about this Sundays or this revolution, now this kind of incidents will become the regular incidents. सब रेगुलर होने लगी, छिटपुट घटनाएं. So this become the regular incidents after 905.
5.
Clear? Now the strikes took place. Strikes took place all over the country. मतलब जगह जगह पर धरना प्रदर्शन इस तरह की वारदातें होने लगी. ठीक है? तो जगह जगह पे धरना प्रदर्शन इस तरह की वारदातें होने लगी. So
सर विंटर प्लेस क्या है?
विंटर प्लेस नहीं है, याद रखिए, याद रखना है, ये पैलेस है. There's a difference between the place and the palace. So palace is महल, सर्दियों के लिए महल. आपको पता होना चाहिए, हालांकि मैंने देखा नहीं है, लेकिन we can say in the Russia there is a severe cold. रशिया में इतनी ठंड पड़ती है कि -40 डिग्री में नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर रहता है, समझ लीजिए. इतनी ठंड पड़ती है
अब म्यूजियम हो गया.
क्या चीज?
सब म्यूजियम.
वो पैलेस, वो मतलब विंटर पैलेस म्यूजियम हो गया होगा. यस
यस सर, अब हो गया.
अब राइट नाउ आई हैवंट सीन दिस, आई हैवंट चेक दिस. सो मे बी, सॉरी, क्या कह रहे हैं? हाँ बोले बेटा. चलिए, तो so this strikes will become the regular incidents. Not only this, people of the different field, lawyers, doctors, engineers, and other middle class also supported this kind of processions. So, and not only this, these all kind of the people make their own associations or the unions. Maybe they make the different unions, but all these unions basically worked on the one thing, means they want to be freed from the hands of the Tsar or the another nobility class who were oppressing that person. Clear? And not only this, in 1905, इसमें कुछ पूछना है? In this, if you want to ask, you can ask. In 1905, there is also the parliamentary election. So in the Russia, this parliamentary election or the assembly is known by the name of Duma. Clear? इसमें से देख लीजिए, किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकता है. Because right now I'm going to change this. Yes.
Sir, who are the Cossacks?
देखिए, Cossacks are also the police. Maybe the different kinds of police, or maybe we can the bodyguards of special bodyguards of the kings or the Tsar. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now, so So during this period, 1905. Now, in 1905, the Tsar II recognized the Tsar recognized the power of the common people. The Tsar recognized the power of the common people, so he decided to give the permission to form the Duma. Duma is related to the assembly, so, or we can say the parliament. The parliament. So after 1905, most committees and unions were officially unofficial since they were declared illegal. Then the Tsar dismissed, in which way the Tsar worked. After too much terrified these Dumas, they elected the Duma, but after a very short break, they disband this Duma. उन्होंने बहुत जल्दी ही इस Duma को क्या कर दिया? Disband कर दिया. So the first disband Duma, first Duma elected only for 75 days. Then this re-elected Duma means the second Duma is elected, and it worked for the 3 months. Means after very short gap, these parliaments will become. Then after, when we talk about the third, then when this third Duma was disbanded, automatically the third Duma will selected. But in this also, there about many people were kept out, and basically the liberals and the revolutionary were kept out from this. Clear? उनको बाहर रखा गया. किस को? लिबरल्स को, रेवोल्यूशनरी को इससे बाहर रखा गया. ठीक है? Now, इसमें से कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं, because we have to start with another topic.
Declined Duma 3 months.
सर एक बार और बता दीजिए.
देखिए, पहली बार जो ड्यूमा जो है, जो फर्स्ट ड्यूमा का जो गठन हुआ, जो फर्स्ट ड्यूमा माने कि पार्लियामेंट, तो ये पार्लियामेंट 75 दिनों के लिए चली, एंड अनदर देन दिस ड्यूमा वाज री-इलेक्टेड. देन देखिए 75 दिनों तक चलने का मतलब ये है कि दिस जार डिसबैंडेड दिस ड्यूमा बिकॉज the Tsar know the power of the Duma, and when the people were enlightened, they will go against the Tsar. So that's why hurriedly the Tsar disbanded this Duma. Then after this Duma was re-elected, and then still after this, it was again gone disbanded after 3 months. Then again, in the third time, this Duma was elected, but basically the Tsar totally controlled these Dumas because the liberals, revolutionary, and other people whom they seen with the eye of suspicion, they will also kept out of this parliament. Clear? मतलब निकाल के रखते थे, क्योंकि अगर वो ज्वाइन करेंगे तो लोगों को भड़काएंगे, और भड़काएंगे तो किसके खिलाफ? किंग के खिलाफ. That's why the king always vigil on this kind of people who are against him. Because you know that when the people will become united, and not only this, सब बच्चों को दिख रहा है साहब?
Yes, sir.
This one. Clear? Now, the First World War and the Russian Empire. इसमें अगर किसी को कुछ पूछना है इस पूरे पॉइंट में से जो मैंने बताया ये पूरा ये turbulent time 1905 revolution, because this point is going to be ended and today we'll start with the first world war and the Russian empire. Clear?
Yes, sir.
चलिए,
Yes,
तो
sir.
किसी का कुछ पूछना है?
No, sir.
चलिए तो स्टार्ट करें नेक्स्ट
Yes,
वन.
sir.
चलिए, the first
Yes,
world war
sir.
and the Russian empire.
Sir.
The first world war and the Russian empire. See this. When the 1917 revolution took place, before this, what happened? Before this, so you know, the very great and the famous date in the world history, and this world history known as the second or the first world war. The first world war and the Russian empire. Sorry, तो देखिए नहीं रहा. एक मिनट.
शायद नहीं.
हाँ बेटा, एक मिनट. हम ध्यान नहीं दिए. ध्यान से देखिए. The first world war and the Russian empire. The first world war and the Russian empire. देखिए, so when we talk about the first world war, clear? So when we talk about the first world war, this incidents took place in 1914,
14 to 1919.
1918.
28 July 1914.
Clear? And when we talk about the second revolution, second revolution, yes, in the history of Russia, the second major revolution in the Russia is 1970. So there is an attachment between the first world war and the effect on even on the Russian revolution, which occurred in the second time in the history of Russia, and it was happened in 1970. So first we have to know about what happened to it when we talk about this 1914 to 18. So this is the first world war period, and during this period, in which way the Russian empire was built up. Clear? Now, when we talk about this, during this, you have to know about the two things. First of all, get. This one is get, and the another one is FBR. You've seen what is this? These are the two parties or the two groups in which the First World War took place. So when we talk of the get is Germany, Austria, Turkey. Austria and Turkey. Turkey. And when we talk about the FBR is related with France, Britain, and Russia. These are the groups. These all are the groups in which the people. These all are the groups in which the people are. So this is the first group, the Germany, Austria, and Turkey.
जर्मनी के बाद क्या है?
Sorry, Germany के बाद Austria है बेटा. Austria. Australia नहीं, Austria. Austria. The capital of Austria is Vienna. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ऑस्ट्रिया के बाद क्या है सर?
Turkey है, Turkey. This one, Germany, Austria, Turkey, and then other group is France, Britain, and Russia. Later, Italy and Romania are also joined this. In this, later, Italy and Romania also joined this.
Hungary.
Clear? And not only this, in 1970, even the another group, this America also included in this war, because when this world war was left by the Russia, the America joined in this world war. Clear?
Yes.
See this. So when we talk about this world war is just not fought in just Europe. This world war is also fought even in Asia continent also, and directly and indirectly in the another continent also. Clear? Now the earlier people favored the Tsar. देखिए पहली बात तो पहले जो कॉमन पीपल जो थे उन्होंने जार का सपोर्ट किया. Tsar supported by common people. Here, the Tsar supported the common people. Initially, the Tsar means the king was supported by the common people. But they are not thinking that this world war goes too much long. But this world war goes too much long. And when this world war have taken too much time, automatically the common people were against the Tsar, because the economic condition because the economic condition of Russia going to be ruined. उसकी कंडीशन जो थी खराब होने लगी. किसकी? रशिया की. ठीक है? Then so this one. So another, इसमें किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
No, sir.
देख लीजिए आप लोग.
Sir,
FBR, फ्रांस, ब्रिटेन और रशिया, जो दो ग्रुप थे वर्ल्ड वॉर के दौरान, जो दो हिस्सों में बटा हुआ था. एक ग्रुप ऐसा था जो जर्मनी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और टर्की का था, एंड द अनदर ग्रुप which consists of France, Britain and Russia. Clear? So,
yes sir.
सपोर्टेड बाय उसके बगल में क्या लिखे हैं?
sorry?
सर सपोर्टेड बाय के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
देखिए, the Tsar supported by the common people of Russia. When this world war took place, earlier the common people with the Tsar to fight against whom? To fight against the Germany, because they are on the enemy part. So that's why the common people supported. But after some time, because they don't know, किसी भी चीज की शुरुआत होने का समय होता है, ठीक है, और उसके बाद वो कितना लंबा चलेगी उसका कोई निर्धारण नहीं होता. So the same thing is related with this world war. So when this war goes too much long, automatically the economic condition of the Russia is going to be ruined day by day. It's going to be worse. So that's why the common people at that time against the Tsar, and they forced the Tsar to withdraw from the world war. Clear? Then the people will also have the anxiety with the Tsar by the something done by the Tsar. And what are these things? इसमें कुछ पूछना है आपको?
No, sir.
चलिए.
No, sir.
So another thing is related with, then again, the name. The changing the name was St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg, who was the German name? Who was the German name and kept by earlier. So they are demanding, as you know, in the World War, the Russia is against the Germany, and they have seen the Petersburg is a German name. They want that this name should be removed. So that's why they make a protest in which, as well as the Tsarina, the king's wife, are also from the German origin. That's why the people are also shown agitation against her. Not only this, and these all things, and another person is Rasputin, who also
Rasputin.
make this condition worse because he was an autocratic person, as well as favored by the Tsar, and he make the situation totally and totally out of control. As well as when we talk about this World War, the World War condition, when we talk about the First World War, the condition is totally and totally different at Western Front and Eastern Front. Western and Eastern Front. Clear? वेस्टर्न और ईस्टर्न फ्रंट पे भी ये कंडीशन बहुत खराब थी. ठीक है,
खराब थी.
किसी किसी फ्रंट पे अच्छी थी, हम आपको बताएंगे किस फ्रंट पे अच्छी थी और किस फ्रंट पे खराब थी, बट टोटली एंड टोटली बिकॉज इन दिस वर्ल्ड वॉर दिस, देखिए, वेदर एनी कंट्री वन, बट इट्स क्लियर दैट दे विल वन, बट ऑन द इकोनॉमिक वे, in the economic way, they suffered too much. They suffered a lot. So, when we talk about the Western Front, in the Western Front, the army fought from trenches. The army fought from the trenches, and we talk about, and the Eastern, and along with the Eastern France. So automatically जब आपका रशिया का वेस्टर्न होगा तो रशिया की बाउंड्री फ्रांस के साथ है, तो उसका ईस्टर्न फ्रंट होगा, रशिया का ईस्टर्न हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना. ऑटोमेटिकली जब किसी का मान के चलिए वेस्ट होगा, जैसे मान लीजिए ये मैप है, तो मैप में आपका ये मैप है आपका, मान के चलिए, तो मैप में आपको पता है कि दिस वन इज नॉर्थ एंड दिस वन इज साउथ, दिस वन इज ईस्ट and this one is west. So when we talk about the Western Front, automatically it will become the Eastern Front automatically of some other country. Clear? So this one. So in the east, when we talk about in the east, the Russia have the good deal. Means they are in a benefited way according on the war aspect. Then after all, when we talked about everything, the defeats, were shocking, and the defeats were shocking, and the Russia lost badly. The Russian lost badly in Germany, and they lost badly in two places, in Germany, and the another one is at where? Austria. दोनों ही कंट्री में उसको बहुत ही बड़ा हार का मुंह देखना पड़ा. Between up to, and this incidents up to 1914 to 1916. See this. Automatically we know in 1940 what was the situation, and up to 1916, because we know this war goes up to 1918. So this totally ruined the condition of Russia. So that's why in 1917 automatically the people was too much anxiety with the Tsar, and the Russian Revolution took place. Clear? This one. Overall, there is too much bad condition of the Russia, and in this war there are about 7 million casualties. 7 million casualties from Russia. 700 million casualty from Russia. Clear? And not only this, we know that if at any place the war took place, the war destroyed everything, even in the way of crop way, in the economic way, in the many ways. Clear? ये बताइए, इसमें से कुछ पूछना है किसी को? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? किसी को पूछना तो पूछ सकता है.
Yes, sir.
पूछिए. पूछिए. क्या पूछना है? चलिए, तो क्रॉप्स रियूंड हो गई, और साथ ही साथ कंट्री से लोग फ्लाई ओवर करके भी दूसरी जो प्लेसेस पे जाने लगे, और उसमें देयर अबाउट 3 मिलियन पीपल हु टेक द रिफ्यूजेस जब रशिया में, और रशिया से बाहर भी लोग गए. आज इतना ही. कल आपको बताएंगे इंडस्ट्रीज पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ा, बाकी इस सी में क्या इफेक्ट हुआ इस वॉर का, बाकी प्लेसेस पे क्या इफेक्ट हुआ. As well as from tomorrow start the February revolution is Petrograd. Tell me, any doubt? Clear a point? ये सारा स्टैटिक वे में है.
Yes, sir.
इसलिए आपको लर्न करना ही पड़ेगा, कब कितनी इंसिडेंट्स, कितनी कैजुअलिटीज हुई, कौन कौन क्या था. इसमें सिर्फ बताने से काम नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है, और बताइए.